Hi, happy morning, dear students. I hope you people are following online classes and preparing smart notes. Today I am here to discuss a very important and compulsory topic which will ask for 6 marks under the utility analysis, namely the law of diminishing marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility. This law of diminishing marginal utility was introduced by, not this point, and German economist Professor H. H. Gosen. Later, it was developed by or popularized by and neoclassical economist Professor Alfred Marshall. Before knowing in detail information about this topic, let's we understand usually what it really speaks. Yes, a small example. We are all rational consumers. A rational stands for right mentality, good mental capacity. What to have, how much we have, how much we want to purchase, how much we want to pay, what is the percentage of satisfaction, what time from that commodity. All the strategies of market we are understood, so we call it in the name of a rational consumer. As a rational consumer, we decided to have banana to fulfill our hungry. So we purchase 10 bananas because fulfill for hungry. Start to eat the bananas continuously. First banana, because of hungry, very tasteful. Satisfaction more from the first banana. Yes, I finished the first banana, my stomach, my percentage of hungry reduces. Now I take a second banana, start to eat. But the second banana gives less percentage of the satisfaction compared to first banana. Because first banana already reduces our percentage of hungry. And it's already give more taste and satisfaction. So compared to first banana, second banana gives less satisfaction, less taste. We continue the consumption of the bananas. Third banana gives less satisfaction than second one. Fourth banana, less satisfaction from third banana. Fifth banana, give less satisfaction compared to fourth banana. Like we continue. Now we are standing in ninth quantity of banana. We finished that, we consumed that, our stomach is fulfilled, we are getting bored by the consumption of the banana, so our satisfaction is zero. However, the last 10th unit of the banana, we start to eat by peeling the skin. But the satisfaction from the 10th banana is become negative. Why? Because negative. Already 9 bananas are fulfilled our stomach. However, we are continuing the 10th banana. So it's come out. Vomiting. The vomiting means they are negative. You can experiment at your homes. It will definitely happens. That only this law of diminishing marginal utility is explaining. Let's discuss as follows. What do you mean by law of diminishing marginal utility? It states that marginal utility from consuming each additional unit of a commodity declines as its consumption increases, while keeping consumption of other commodities are constant. As I explained already, we are consuming only one commodity, remaining other commodities are not consuming, so it's constant. Let's simplify this meaning with following words. These words must listen carefully and make a smart notes. And consumer increases the consumption of any one commodity by keeping consumption of other commodities constant. The marginal utility from variable commodity must be even actually falls down or decline. That's what we call another one, the meaning of law of diminishing marginal utility. Before going to discuss in detail about this law, we want to quote a few assumptions, illustrations. What are they? Number one, note these points clearly, listen carefully and make a list. Assumptions of law of diminishing marginal utility. The quantity of good standard must be same. Standard must be same. Color, taste, size of the commodity must be same. Must be same. Third one, the utility is measured on the basis of cardinal analysis. Means here in this law, the utility is measuring by using the numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. The consumer must rational, rational, rational. Fifth one, the consumer must consume the commodity continuously. Keep this point. Continuity consumption. And last assumption, the price and income of the consumer, the price of the commodity and income of the consumer are constant while consuming the commodity. These are the assumptions of illustrations of law of diminishing marginal utility. And this law we are going to present in the form of table and diagram, which will explain clearly as follows. The table or schedule. The table contains 3 columns: units of goods, TU total utility, MU marginal utility. You can observe this table. Here an consumer consuming 6 units of a commodity. 6 units of a commodity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total utility and marginal utility. A consumer, by consume the first unit of the good, he get same number of the total utility and marginal utility. 12 and 12. Now the consumer increase the consumption of a commodity. So the total utility is increases. Total utility means additional of marginal utility. So by consuming second unit of the commodity, the total utility is increases, but marginal utility is decreases. As I told, first banana give more satisfaction. First the banana give more taste. Second banana give less taste, less satisfaction compared to first banana. Here clearly showing with the numbers. So the consumer increase the consumption of a commodity. The total utility increases, but marginal utility decreases. As continue, third banana, total utility is increases from 18 to 22. The marginal utility again decreases from 6 to 4. Continue from third unit to fourth unit. The total utility is increases from 22 to 24. The marginal utility again decreases from 4 to 2. By fifth unit of the banana or the good, the total utility become constant, 24. The marginal utilities become 0. As I gave example, by having the ninth unit of the banana, already the stomach is fulfilled. We lost interest and the taste of that banana. So the satisfaction from the ninth banana is 0. Here we took example. Fifth, the unit of the good give a 0 unit of the marginal utility. And sixth unit of the good, the total utility is decreases, but the marginal utility become negative. Yes, remember the 10th unit of the banana by consume, the consumer feel vomiting or consumer felt very irritated. That's what we are showing the negative. At their 10th banana, here in example, 6th unit of the banana leads a negative impact of marginal utility. You can observe the marginal utility is diminishing. Marginal utility is decreasing continuously by increases the consumption of a good. By increases the consumption of a good, the marginal utility is diminishing. Marginal utility is decreases. The total utility is increases at diminishing rate. Note this point. The total utility, by increasing the consumption of a commodity, it increases. For outlook increases, but in reality it is increasing at diminishing rate. Increases at diminishing rate because changes in the total utility. Changes in the total utility due to changes in the quantity of good. Quantity of good measures in terms of marginal utility. Measures in the terms of marginal utility. Means the total utility is depicted. Total utility is presented in reality for marginal utility. Marginal utility. So you can observe the second here, the third unit give less satisfaction, less marginal utility than the second unit. Second unit. Yes, same. The fourth unit gives less satisfaction than the third unit. It's clear. A consumer increases the consumption of any one commodity by keeping constant consumption of all other commodity. Marginal utility of variable commodity must be eventually falls down. This can be present in the form of diagram. It's a very important. OY axis PU and MU are measured. OX axis, you can observe here. OX axis, this is 6. OX axis, unit of goods are measured. Yes, as per the table, the TU and MU, we want to mark the leastest value of the, TU and MU is a -2 and highest value of the TU and MU columns are 24. Yes, I start from -2 to 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. OX axis, unit of goods, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. First unit of the good give 12 units of satisfaction, both the total utility and marginal utility. First unit gives 12. I marked here. First, not 0. First unit of the good give 12, both TU and MU. I marked. Second unit of the good give 18. I marked here 18. Total utility 18. Third unit give 22. Total utility 22. I marked. Fourth unit give 24. I marked clearly. And fifth unit total utility is 24, same. And sixth unit of the good total utility is 22. Next, marginal utility, let's be marked. First unit give 12, already marked. Second unit give exactly 6. And third unit give 4. And fourth unit give 2. And fifth unit give 0 at fifth unit, and sixth unit give negative or -2. Let's we join all the marks. First I am joining here TU, and here constant. You can observe constant, and now it is diminishing or declining. So it is a TU curve. Clearly you observe TU curve. Now MU, let's be join. Yes, MU, and minus. I am marking here. Observe here. It's MU curve. Yes, the diagram also speaks that by increasing the consumption of a commodity, by increases in the consumption of a commodity, yes, the total utility is increasing. Total utility is increasing at diminishing rate. Keep that point. The consumer increase the consumption of a commodity. Total utility is increases at diminishing rate, and at some unit it's become constant. Finally it starts to falls down, or finally it's slope downward. What about marginal utility? By increase the consumption of a commodity, marginal utility is continuously falls down. It's reached the 0, and finally it's become negative. Means at the 6th unit of the commodity, the marginal utility become negative, -2. And you observe, when the total utility is maximum, 24. When total utility is maximum, the marginal utility is 0. You can observe. When the total utility is maximum, means 24, the marginal utility is 0. The marginal utility is 0. When the marginal, are you following now? The marginal utility is 0. When the total utility is falls down at 6th unit. When total utility is falls down, the marginal utility become negative. It's clear that A consumer, here marginal utility declining or diminishing, marginal utility curve from here to here. The diminishing, continuous diminishing, the marginal utility curve clearly states that a consumer increases the consumption of any one commodity by keeping constant consumption of all other commodities. Marginal utility from variable commodity. Marginal utility by the consumption of variable commodity must be falls down. Falls down. This is what we call the law of diminishing marginal utility. I clearly wrote the explanation about the table and the diagram here. Yes, the values of mu and tu derived from consumption of various amount of the commodity. Usually it is seen that mu is diminishes with increases in consumption of the variable commodity. This happens because of having obtained some amount of the commodity. The desire of the consumer to have still more of it becomes weaker. Here the mu of third unit less than the mu of second unit. This results in increases of total utility at diminishing rate. The rate of change in total utility due to change in quantity of commodity consumed is a measure of marginal utility. This marginal utility diminishes with increase in consumption of the commodity from 12 to 6 as per the table. 6 to 4, 4 to 2, so on. Tu will be the highest when mu is 0. Tu declines when mu is a negative. In diagram, mu clearly states that or show that mu goes on decline with consumption of extra unit or additional unit of the given commodity. Is what we call actual information about the law of diminishing marginal utility. Next we will discuss remaining thing. Thank you.